Get into the 2020 GMC Acadia. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, backup camera, keyless start, remote engine start, power liftgate, premium sound system, satellite radio, fog lamps. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.